Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a mani using RCS Custom Nail Dips, and we're going to create a fun fall mani. So the first color here is a color that I used previously. It is called Chocolate Sprinkles, and it is a beautiful dark chocolate brown with very fine bronzy glitters, and it's super pretty. And then the next color here is Corn Maze, and it is a beautiful yellow with a hint of shimmer in it. So it's not too bright, it's not too dark, it's the perfect fall yellow, and it is perfect for this mani. And then the next color here is Autumn Breeze, and check out all that sparkly goodness. It looks like fall foliage all sparkled into one jar. So there's some chunky glitter, fine glitter, and then there's some leaf shaped glitter as well, and it's all those beautiful fall colors. And then here are the three colors together. I just think they complement each other really well, and they are perfect for the fall mani that we are trying to achieve for today. So for today's mani, I'm going to be using Virgo Gems gel liquids. We are going to be doing a gel method mani for today. And then the first layer here, I'm going to go ahead and dip the fingers, and then I realized that the yellow, I really wanted to make sure that we were getting the full pigment, and I bumped my thumb the first time. So I'm going to go ahead the second time around, and I'm going to go ahead and do my thumb, cure that, and then I'm going to do the rest of the yellow nails, cure that, and then go in with the glitter just to ensure that we're not getting any of those glitters on this beautiful yellow. So I'm going to go ahead and let you watch this mani process, and I'll pop back in a little bit.
All I
How pretty is this yellow? Isn't it the perfect fall yellow? I always feel like I have a hard time finding the perfect fall yellow because either they're too dark or they're too bright or they're too like mustardy brown color. But this one right here, Corn Maze, is the perfect fall tone for me and I'm really liking it. So real quick, I wanted to talk about RCS Custom Nail Dips. Now on Thursdays, I do dedicate, as of right now, all my videos to RCS just because I really love the quality and the variety of dip powders that she has to offer. And there's just so many, and I just feel like this brand is such something that like nobody really talks about. So I really enjoy creating videos using RCS custom dip powders. Now you can get all these colors in sample sizes, which I think is amazing, and the samples start, there's some for like $2.50 on the website, and then there's some for $3. So it's really nice because then you can get a lot of different colors, and you're never, honestly, unless you're obsessed with a certain color, you're never going to go through like a full 0.25 ounce jar or a 1 ounce jar. I mean, unless it's like a clear. So I really like that they offer the sample sizes. Also peel base. If you like peel base and you are a fan of UNT, and we all know that UNT on Amazon, either it's hit or miss. Either it's in stock, it's not in stock for numerous months. Then they jacked up the price. I know the other day I was looking at it and it was $16.99. I was like, whoa, why did it go up that much? But then I looked again today and it went back to $14, but it used to be like $9. But RCS has peel base and it's very comparable to UNT. And guess what the price is? It's only $5. I'm not kidding. It's $5. Plus, if you use the discount code, which is Mallory15, that saves you 15%. So you're getting it for $4.25. So that's a pretty good deal. Also, if you want to try dip liquids, she does offer the dip liquids in these really cute mini sets. So you could try the dip liquids first before you commit to the bigger bottles. So you would get the base coat, the top coat, the brush saver, and the activator, all for $12, which is a steal, especially when you're trying new dip liquids, because dip liquids can be definitely hit or miss. So then you get to try them without committing to that huge bottle, and I think the price point is amazing. Now they are mini bottles and they're super adorable, and they are 5 milliliter bottles, so they're super cute. And I think it's the perfect way to test out liquids before you invest in the bigger bottles. And then RCS also has gels. I'm out of gel right now. Normally I do my RCS manis with the gels. I definitely need to get more of those gels. But the gels are awesome. They are very thin consistency. I will say they are comparable consistency to the Virgo Gem gels that I'm using today. And then she also offers a kit where you could get like a starter kit, and it comes with a color, the dip liquids, and the clear filing and buffing, cuticle oil, and I believe a dust brush. And it's a really great value because you're getting everything you need to complete a mani at home for $50, and you can use that 15% off as well. But there are so many colors that she has to offer that I definitely recommend going over there just to scroll through all the unique, beautiful colors that RCS Custom Dips has to offer, because I'm telling you, you will find something you like, and I feel like they're really unique, and she does have a lot of very unique powders to offer. So I'm going to go ahead and let you continue this mani process, and I'll pop back in just a few moments. All right, how pretty and fun is this fall mani? I think it's perfect. I really like fall foliage. It is a beautiful glitter, and it just reminds me of the sunlight hitting the trees when the leaves are changing. Super pretty, perfect fall color. I think both of these colors combined are screaming fall, autumn, and harvest. So I'll go ahead and link everything that we use in today's video in the description box below. I'll also link my Instagram page. I do post different things on my Instagram page daily, and I post different manis as well. So if you're looking for other nail inspiration, definitely check that out. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!